Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt volume for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, scroll down and you need to find voice prompt settings. Tap at this line, and right here at the top we have voice prompt volume. To lower it, just move this slider to the left. To increase the volume, just move the slider to the right. I guess that's okay for me. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!